they come from well-educated families. They themselves are extremely highly educated. Many of them come from well-to-do families as well. So what explains this kind of radicalism to the extent where you would blow yourself up and take down innocent other people with you?
Thank you very much. Good evening, Poonam, and good evening to my fellow panelists. The first thing we need to understand is that there is nothing radical about it. If I memorize chapter and verse of the book Biochemistry by Leninger, would you call me a radical scientist? No, it's all there. But be that as it may, I have to accept that the disclosures in this Red Fort terror case are, you're right, spine-chilling. And it is clear that these doctors wanted to destroy the country that cared for them at the behest of a country they wanted to care for. But to come back to that question, away from these disclosures, you're right, something else is being disclosed as well. This justification and whitewashing of terrorists and terrorism. It has already become, Poonam, by these usual suspects that these terrorists were kind, affable, brilliant doctors, and that their terrorism has to be looked from a different prism. Asking why were they forced into terrorism in the first place? This is a textbook action, reaction, provocation, reaction theory. But then, why don't they apply the same theory to Godhra riots and justify them as a reaction to the train burning? There, they don't bring this action, reaction theory. But then it's not about them, Poonam. It's about us. Because after all, you have to ask this question. Who allows thousands to attend funerals of terrorists? Who withdraws cases against Muslim rioters? Who gives bail to Coimbatore bombers despite Supreme Court refusing to do so? Who blames Nupur for burning the country instead of blaming those who actually burned the country? Poonam, more than 5 doctors, including Muzammil, the mastermind of the Delhi terror attack, has been arrested. The chilling details of this modus operandi leave very little to imagination. But while it may come as a news to many, I'm sorry, it's not news to me. Because in being relieved at him being arrested, we are yet again missing the woods for the trees. After all, did Muzammil incite riots in Kanpur over Nupur merely quoting the hadiths? Was it Muzammil who beheaded Kanhaiya Lal? Was it Muzammil who led a bloody thirsty mob that killed Ankit in Delhi? Was it Muzammil who attacked hundreds of Ram Navami processions, Durga Puja procession, Hanuman Jayanti Shobha Yatra, Garba celebration with impunity? Was it Muzammil who removed Bhagwa flags from temple in Muda Bidri and replaced them with Islamic flags? Was it Muzammil who replaced Ashok Chakra in the Indian flag with Islamic Kalma in Mehboob Nagar? Was it Muzammil who stood for elections from Meerut offering 51 crores to the beheaders of Charlie Hebdo journalists? Was it Muzammil who screamed Ralif Galif Salif from mosques? Was it Muzammil who attended the funeral of Burhan Wani of Yaqub Memon of Nasrallah? Poonam, there is a parallel world that is inhabited by millions of Muzammils, a world where they are not bound by rules, morality, ethics, propriety by which they want the rest of us to be bound by. Because 30 seconds, their morality, ethics, conduct is not dictated by man but by God. Let us be under no illusion. The situation is intractable. It hasn't changed for 1,000 years. Why on earth would it change in 10? Yaqub passed on the baton to Afzal, who passed it on to Burhan, who passed it on to Tahir, who passed it on to Muzammil, who, unknown to us, has probably passed it on to someone else. You can condemn the fundamentalists as long as you want, but they are only following the fundamentals, and you dare not condemn the fundamentals. Remember, moderates wield the pen, extremists the gun. The belief of moderates provides the cushion to the extremists. One of 5 Muslim signatories publicized by Tharoor who condemned the terror attack is Shahid Siddiqui. He comes across as a moderate in English, does he not? And this is what he says in Urdu regarding Taslima Nasreen. शैतान की बेटी तस्लीमा नजरीन सरज़े हिंद पर कब तक मौज बनाएगी? This is the folk tongue, Poonam. What can you do?